In this video, I'll show you that how to create a valid SSL certificate for localhost in your XAMPP and install these certificates in your local system to enable HTTPS for your local projects. So we need two files to create certificate. I'll give link for these files in description of this video. You can download from there and use in your system. So now go to your XAMPP directory. So I'll open XAMPP control panel and click on the Explorer button and go to the Apache folder. Here I'll create a new folder. I'll name it as CRT to generate certificates. And here copy those two files which you have just downloaded from description of this video and paste it here. Now open this crt.conf file in any text editor. I'm going to open this in Notepad++, and here we have to do few changes. We have to change this domain to our local domain. So I'll call my domain as sites.local. So I'll write sites.local and I'll copy this name and I'll replace this as well. So we have to use our site name in only these two locations. Now save this file and minimize this. Now we have to double click on this make cert.batch file so we can generate our certificates. So double click on this. Now enter your domain name. So I'll write same name, which is sites.local, and hit enter. Now it's asking for your country name, etc. So I'll write my own country name. So IN. You can skip this also. If you skip this, then it will pick this default values. So I'm going to skip this. So just hit enter. And I'm skipping all these questions. So just enter, and that's it. So we have a new folder which is sites.local. If we go inside this, so there are two files. One is certificate and the second is server key. So we have to install this certificate in our local system. So just double click on this and click on the install certificate button. Now choose local machine and click on the next button, allow this. And now we have to go to this option which is place all certificate in the file store and click on the browse button and select trusted root certification authorities and hit OK and next and finish. Now this pop-up says that the import was successful, which means our certificate is now installed in our local system. So just close these all windows. Now we have to create a virtual host for our new site. So go to the XAMPP directory again, go to Apache, then config, then extra, then http://xampp.config file. Open this in any text editor. I'm going to open this in Notepad++ and go to bottom of this file, and we have to write configuration for our virtual host here. So I'll write this configuration in description of this video so that you can copy and paste in your httpd://xampp.config file. So this will be virtual host, all domains with port 80. Document root will be htdocs directory. So go to XAMPP htdocs and copy this path. So root directory will be, then the server name. Here write your domain name, which is sites.local, then server alias, that will be all subdomains of sites.local, and that's it. This configuration is for non-SSL local domain. Now we will create virtual host for secure domain. So just copy this configuration and paste it again and the port will be 443. As you can see, our SSL port is 443. So write 443. Document root will be same. Server name will be same, and this is also same. So we have to pass few SSL configuration. So first of all, turn on the SSL engine. So SSL engine on. This will turn on the SSL engine. Now we have to pass path of certificate file. So SSL certificate file, this will be this crt, then sites.local and the server.crt file. So I'll write crt slash sites.local slash server.crt. Now we have to pass this server key file as well. So SSL certificate key file, that will be server.key. Now save this file, and now we have to allow this from our local host. So go to this PC, your Windows drive, then Windows folder, then go to system32, then drivers, etc, and open this hosts file in any text editor. So I'll open this in Notepad++, and at the end I'll write 127.0.0.1 and then our site name, which is sites.local. This is our local domain name. This means that allow this local domain from our local system. So just save this file. So this file is in system directory, so we have to enable administrator mode as well. So just hit yes, and now we have to save this file because this is now in administrator mode. If you are not using Notepad++, you can simply copy this file to your desktop or any location, then update that file. After updating this file, save this and copy this file from here and paste it here, and it will ask for permission and it will replace your file. Okay, so now we have to restart our Apache and MySQL. So just stop this and start this again. Okay, now try to visit this newly created domain, which is sites.local, sorry, HTTP. First we will check for HTTP website, sites.local. Okay, so this is working. So let's try to open with SSL. It's also working and the certificate is also valid, and it's showing that connection is secure. Let's try to open in any other browser. So I'll open the Firefox, and as you can see, the connection is secure. And if you view the certificate, and you can see our certificate is valid and is applied to our domain. If you are getting any error that certificate is not valid or certificate is expired, then you can simply restart your browser, because sometimes certificates are not loaded automatically inside our browser. So we have to restart our browser after installing certificates. And now if we visit our newly created domain, which is sites.local, and the SSL will work perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well, so I can create more valuable content for you. Follow us on other social media accounts as well. Links are in description of this video.